Hey guys, here's another video. This one I got today after the storm passed Big Island, Hawaii. It's an iPad, it's on slow mo. You can see the beams on the right coming out of the sun. Different beams every day, different colors, different locations. This one's at 2 o'clock and it's shooting 4 beams down, that's 2 each. I get them all different types. I get double vortexes. Vortex you can see around the sun that's on my art light in my room, that's same vortex. These little beams come in, some balls. I get so many of these, I don't know what they are. It's not rain, but if you look at my other videos, you'll see them going sideways. These things are, it's kind of energy beams, I don't know. I was in my room and said, hey, I was meditating, the light was out, and I said, hey, I guess you guys are just intelligent light beams. My light came on right then. I said, oh, I'm meditating. And turn it off, boom, the light went out.